Where you are registered with Social Security and Medicare as your residence, that's where you have to buy your insurance. That's what your rates are going to be based off of. And if you do it wrong, your claims might be denied. So watch this video and let me help you prevent some problems. Medicare residency and state residency in general is something that most people don't have any experience with, and they really don't want to pay an attorney to get accurate legal advice. So people assume, and many times they assume incorrectly. So I had a client last week and I said, okay, what's your address? We're getting ready to run her a quote on her insurance. And she said, well, I live most of the year in Florida, but I'm a resident of Missouri. And so then you have to put the brakes on and you have to say, wait, how much time do you spend in Florida? And she's like, 9-10 months a year. I said, but you're a resident of Missouri? She goes, yes, I still pay state taxes in Missouri. So she has her address in Missouri listed on record with the federal government. My whiteboard? It's on record with Medicare and Social Security. She's got Missouri listed. I have to write her the policy based on the address she has on file right now with Medicare and Social Security. Now, she could call there and change it to Florida without changing where she pays her taxes. She can have a house there. You know, think about it. There's rich people that have houses all over the country, right? They have 5 houses, and so she can have houses in 2 places. She could not be registered to vote, and she could have her car could still be. It's just, are you following me? This is a lot harder. This is why I have to eat a lot of candy, okay? As far as my dealing with them as an agent is, what is your address? They give me their address. As long as that matches up with what Medicare and Social Security have online, that's the extent of my liability and what I'm doing. So if you have questions about your residency, call us here at the Medicare Family. You can ask us in the comments if you have a specific question. If you want more personal attention, we'll be happy to answer you. Call us or email us. My family would love to help your family. If you haven't already subscribed, continue subscribing. We put out a video like this every week, and I hope it was helpful.